You can see here guys, I am having fireworks today. You can see here. In this video you will see my mini fireworks test. I will buy some more. But how much I have bought I will show you. Then let's start our video. My first item is this Fuljodi sparklers. Then this you can see here is 10 pieces. Its MRP is 45 rupees. But I have got this in 10 rupees only. I have bought a packet of this, but I am showing you two only. Then our next thing is this Tom and Jerry snappers, poppet snappers. I have got this in 20 rupees. I have bought like this too. You can see the snappers are here. And here is something, I don't know. Then our next item is this Standard Company small flower pots. You can see here guys. This is too small in size. I have got this. Wait, first I can show you its MRP. Yes. Its MRP is 144. You can see 144. But I have got this in only 35 rupees. I have bought like this too. Then my next item is this red and green sparklers. This is of classic brand. I have got this a packet of 15 rupees. I have bought 5. Then you can see what's inside. Here is inside a pouch. You can see here a long sparkler. And then next, wait, first it's MRP. Yes, its MRP is 123, but I have got this in only 15 rupees. Then my next item is this Standard Company color smokes. This I have got, yes, first you can see here MRP 181, but I have got this in 60 rupees. I have bought 3 like this. 3. And you can see my next cracker. This I have got this 30 rupees per packet. I have bought 2 like this. Then this after I having this Standard Company Red Fort. Its MRP is 309, but I have got this in 50 rupees. I have bought 4 like this. You can see here guys. Then we having giant cracker. Its name is giant cracker garlands. Then this is some local company. Then I have got this in 40 rupees. Then our next item is this Lakshmi bomb. I bought 2 like this and its MRP is 10 rupees and I have got this in 10 rupees only. And our next item is the rocket. You can see here a long rocket. You can see here rocket size. This is big. Then its MRP is 290, but I have got this in only 50 rupees. Then our next item is guys this special flower pots. You can see here special flower pots. You can see here guys. This is I liking this is medium size. Its MRP is 599, but I have got this in 75 rupees only. Then my next item is this. These are called checkers. You can see inside, and you can see its MRP here 319. Then I have got this in only 75 rupees. Then my next item is this Top Tiger Hydro Bombs. Too hard. Yes, you can see here guys. Small size I have bought. Then you can see here MRP 150, but I have got this in 100 only. Then my next item is the 7 shots. Let's see what is inside. And you can see you will burn here, then something will go up and it will burst and look like some stars are falling. Its MRP is 3000 rupees, but I have got this in 100 rupees only. 100 rupees only guys. And our next item is the 600 garland crackers. You can see here garland crackers. Yes, its MRP is 860, 8600. Then I have got this in only 125 rupees guys. 125 only. Then our next item is too bigger. Like this you can see. We are having a sky lantern. You can see here. And here inside a burner which will burn sky lantern. I will send this all firecrackers test videos, so please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share and subscribe.